Good morning, traders. Welcome to Trade Out Loud's Forex Morning Briefing. My name is Anka Metcalf, and today is Monday, February 10th, 2014, and it is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's start by taking a quick look at the markets today. I'm looking at the yen that is leading with 0.16%, followed by the Swissy with 0.12% higher. Euro mildly higher, trying to climb, and we're going to take a look at that euro-dollar currency pair, 0.4%. We have the pound barely in the positive territory with 0.1, neutral for the dollar for today as of right now, and this trading session. And on the negative side, we have Canadian dollar, Aussie, and New Zealand dollar. Canadian dollar is 0.14% in a negative, Aussie in 0.20% negative, and New Zealand dollar 0.22% negative. For the overnight news, we had some disappointing numbers coming out of Japan, and that is for current accounts, for consumer confidence that came in unexpectedly weak, also for economy watchers, and these numbers were really disappointing. We also had news from the Eurozone, and this is the French industrial production that came out negative, and we also had Italian industrial production that came out negative as well. Also, for the Centix, investor confidence came out positive and actually was a big surprise because it came better than the previous forecast at 11.9, and it was expected the forecast to be a little decreased from the previous released at 10.3, yet very good number, 13.3. Over the day today, don't forget bank holiday for Japan, and tonight as major event, major news event for the night, we have the NAB business confidence coming out of Australia, so we're going to pay attention to those numbers as well. And also overnight numbers for China. You know how important Chinese economy is, and with the slowing down, we're got to watch these numbers. And we do have Chinese numbers that are tentative as of right now. They're going to come overnight with trade balance. We also have money supply and new loans that are coming out of China. So these numbers are going to be widely watched by a lot of analysts. So this is it for the news for today. And right now, let's take a look and see how the markets are shaping up this morning. We're going to start with a quick look, and this is the pattern of the day that I've chose for you guys, and this is the 4-hour chart of the euro dollar right now, and you could see right here the news that came overnight. This is the open right here, so it's slightly in positive territory as of right now, trying to challenge this this previous daily high right here that was set at 36.39 from previous trading session back on Friday. And so far, I want to give you a global picture of how this currency pair and what a tough zone it is right now to trade for this euro dollar. As you can see right here, this is the daily chart, and we have been declining since December. Better yet, since mid-December right now, and you could see the series of falling bottoms and falling tops right here, and you could see right now where the price is right now, 36.35. It is right very close to this descending resistance trend line. So this is going to make it or break it. We're going to see how it shapes up. The good news that came out this morning, and that Centix investor confidence of 13.3% propelled this currency a little bit higher. So going back to the 4-hour chart, you can see right here the open line. So it opened right here. So ever since today's trading session has been trying to press against, and you can see when the release came out, it just came out, popped, came back down, and then right now we're trying to recoup some of that loss from this topping tail right here. 36 is the number that it is trading right now. And for more clarity, I'm going to zoom into the 1-hour chart. You can see it right here. Rising bottoms is trying to get a push higher over this resistance area. So for those of you that are small time frame traders, that are scalpers, I do like this currency pair going higher. I do see the potential in it. If you're a very aggressive trader, any break over 36.40 can be a buy. buy. I would place a stop below 36.10 around this area. And for targets, let's speak targets about this. I'm gonna say at 36.50, it's gonna be the first target for this currency pair. Second target, we're talking somewhere around 36.70, and then 3700 is gonna be the last target on this. You could look for a median target at around 36.80 as well, and have a final target of 1.3700. That'll give you close to 3R gain for this currency pair. And remember, this is a trade that would probably change the trend. This is also, if you're caught in this trade with this very, very small stop that we have on right now, so below today's low, if you get into the 3700 area, target area, you can actually propel higher. So look for a consolidation around 3700. This is the big breaking point for this currency pair. And actually, if we reach this area, there are chances that it can actually pop a little higher. This was all for today. Thank you so much for listening, and see you tomorrow.